Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Well, it all started with a viral clip I dropped a few days ago about this crazy weather phenomenon. I literally thought I found a glitch in the Matrix. I was out there acting like a total expert, confidently explaining why the fabric of reality was breaking down. Turns out it was something super common and simple. So the citizens of Earth took to the comments section to be absolutely ruthless to me. I mean, deservingly so. The roast session was unmatched, so that's it. I'm officially going back to school. But before I show you the video and let you witness my downfall, we need a quick crash course so you can actually understand what went down. My old geography teacher, Mr. Gilbert, would be thrilled to help us with that.
Sure, but before any lessons commence, I need you to answer this question first. What kind of rain do you think we are looking at here? If you guessed man-made rain, you nailed it. That's actually from a busted water pipe on the left side of the house. The water pressure sprays it all over the roof, and since the roof collects it all and dumps it in one shot, it looks just like it's pouring. And if you missed it on the first roof, here's the same thing happening on a shorter one. You can see the guy on the left spraying water on the roof with a hose to pull off the exact same effect. It's way easier to spot here. People pull this trick all the time just to go viral, but that doesn't mean nature can't pull this off too. It just won't be localized to a single house like this. It usually hits a much bigger area. To understand why, we've got to look at what actually causes this kind of rain when it's the real deal. We understand how typical rain is formed. The sun beats down, water evaporates, it hangs out in the clouds for a bit as it condenses, and then it eventually falls back down as rain. But for localized rain, a few things have to fall into place. First off, you need some serious height. We're talking about water vapor climbing way up into those massive clouds called cumulonimbus. So how exactly does that even happen? When it's scorching out, the sun bakes the ground, which in turn heats up the air around it. Since hot air is less dense than cool air, it naturally rises. And because this air is so hot, it shoots up fast enough to create intense updrafts that suck up water molecules along the way. Once that air hits those crazy heights, it loses its heat, freezes up, and starts dropping back down, still dragging all those water molecules with it. Alright, here's where things get really interesting. There are basically two ways this could go. First off, if the air under that column is super dry and hot, some of the water inside is going to evaporate as it hits the cloud beneath. That actually makes the whole column even colder, kind of like when you spray perfume or a misting bottle. Since the liquid is turning into vapor, it pulls heat away, which cranks the temperature down even further. As that air cools even more, it gets even denser and starts sinking toward the ground even faster. It just keeps picking up speed as it drops, sometimes hitting speeds over 150 miles per hour until it finally slams into the earth. We call these dry microbursts because they don't have much actual rain in them. Most of the rain evaporates mid-air, leaving the column dry. The second way this can play out is the most dangerous, and it can cause some serious damage. If the clouds beneath are wetter, then the water droplets in the clouds will naturally stick to the rain droplets in the column as it plummets through them. This in turn increases the mass of the column. This heavier, bulkier mass acts like a giant piston. As it plummets, it shoves the air in front of it out of the way, which creates a low-pressure vacuum behind it. Just like the whoosh of air you feel when you stand too close to a passing speeding train, that vacuum sucks even more air and water down from above. This extra addition of water and push from behind causes the whole column to accelerate faster and faster until it slams into the ground like a freight train. While it looks like a cool glitch that keeps your house dry while your neighbors get soaked. Don't let the visuals fool you. Real rain shafts pack so much water and force that they can literally bring down a plane if they're big enough. Plus, with the winds up in the atmosphere, you're never going to see rain hit just one house or person. It's always going to cover a much bigger area.
And that, my friends, is exactly why I got absolutely cooked in the comment section of this prior clip. To make sure you don't end up being a meme like me, drop a like and subscribe for more lessons.